Sir should be here. I'll just call him. I'll just see the arrangement. Take your time. Who are not sending their kids to the schools. Yes. So they are going to meet that particular family and talk to them. What do you call it? They just help them.
You just to see the place. So this is Paulo sir who takes care of the whole media system in our country.
I think manager. Oh, it's quite nice, yeah. So cool here.
Yes, sir. So, so I take care of the practical things for the journalism students, especially for the PG journalism. So teach them practical things, all designing, editing, camera work, all these things. So most of our practical things happens here in the studio. We have the recording and audio and video recording studio that side, the portion. This is the master control room. We control things from here, and post-production happens here.
Is it a soundproof?
Soundproofed. This area as well as I'll take you to the other area. So we have both audio and video recording, and mainly for the student purpose we utilize this. And we also, for the outsiders also, we give for audio recording and all, like music video. We produce short films, documentaries.
It
and
would be nice. I can have a office like this.
So we produce news bulletins every weekend. We come up with the news bulletins by our students. We train them, so they produce. I can show you some of the contents that students produced. Stand up with some work. Salvi?
Yeah.
Soon to get this. So beautiful. Sure, come in. Sure, come in. Come in. Sure, ngala kote. Sure, come in. Please proceed with the conduct.
I welcome you all to this guest lecture organized by Buddha Study Center on the occasion of Buddha Purnima, a discourse on Buddhist perspective, a way of life, and its impact. I would like to invite our dear principal, Reverend Father Dr. Thomas M.G. to address the gathering.
Please don't. The faculty coordinators, Buddha Study Center, Dr. Ailaja, Elizabeth, HODs, faculty members, on-teaching staff, and dear Paulites, good morning. You know, all of us like to be happy. Every one of us like.
Today is the day, if you look at the Buddha's life story, in the beginning he was born under the Bodhi tree at Lumbini Garden, and in the middle, can you change the slides? Yeah, in the middle, he has attained the enlightenment under the Bodhi tree today. And in the end of his life, again he passed away under the Bodhi tree at Kushinagar. So today, three major events of Buddha's life happened together same day. Today is not only the Buddha Purnima, also today is the day that Buddha passed away as a parinirvana, and also Buddha has attained the enlightenment. So three major events of the Buddha's life happened in Thailand, and Thailand and Tibetan, I think they are doing quite similar, but Sri Lanka is little different. Okay, Sri Lanka, in the daytime they are doing the same thing whatever we do, but in the night time they are performing a drama, a Buddha's life stories drama. In the Sri Lanka they have their own unique tradition like that. I have never seen such a tradition like this in other Buddhist countries. So Buddha, he came to know that if he killed the 500 margin, instead of that, if I kill him, okay, I can save the 500 margin's life, and I can stop this particular person not to commit such an act of killing like a 500 people. So he himself, out of his own compassion, he has killed his own god. So according to the Buddhist perspective, we don't consider that kind of act of killing is a part of violence. Can you change the slide? So now there is a debate. Now, according to the Buddhist perspective, what kind of action is a violence and what kind of action is a non-violence, it determines based on our intention and motivation. But if you look at other religions like Jainism, so they feeds. And I discussed with some Jain munis and I asked them why you are not wearing the shoes. And even you go by the barefoots, feet, it can kill so many insects. I asked them, they are saying that it would mean that it is likely to kill less insects. So if you wear the shoes, then you might kill more and more insects. This is what they told me. And if you look at the Jain movies, then you change the style. So Jain movies, have you seen this? They are wearing the mask all the time. Not only at the course of pandemic, before the pandemic, all these Jain movies, they are wearing the mask. Why they are wearing the mask? I asked them, because they think that there are so many tiny species in the air, it is likely to enter, feet. And I discussed with some Jain munis and I asked them why you are not wearing the shoes. And even you go by the barefoots, feet, it can kill so many insects. I asked them, they are saying that it would mean that it is likely to kill less insects. So if you wear the shoes, then you might kill more and more insects. This is what they told me. And if you look at the Jain movies, then you change the style. So Jain movies, have you seen this? They are wearing the mask all the time. Not only at the course of pandemic, before the pandemic, all these Jain munis, they are wearing the mask. Why they are wearing the mask? I asked them, because they think that there are so many tiny species in the air, it is likely to enter an injection to kill the people. They are using an injection to kill their own pets. Many countries, it is a legal procedure in their own nations. But I don't know about India. But many countries, those patients who have a severe disease, who have a huge pain, so they are allowing to kill that particular patients. So now here, many people are debating that is this the kind of violence or not? What do you think? What do you think? You have any suggestion? So one thing that, when I discuss this with other people, if you are maybe among you some are Hindu, most of you, I think you might be a Christian. If you are Hindu, then you are accepting the past life and next life. But if you are a Christian, you are not accepting the next life, isn't it? So, if those who are,
We thank Celon for enlightening us with the different perspective of Buddhism, lifestyle and impact, and also for sharing your valuable experience. It was indeed our pleasure to have you with us, sir. I now invite Ms. Elizabeth Jansi, Assistant Professor and Faculty Coordinator of Buddha Study Center, to render the word of thanks.
Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. Greetings of the day to all. On this propitious occasion, I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of St. Paul's College to our dear resource person, Mr. Tenzin Celon, for such an incredible content-rich session on the Buddhist perspective, a way of life and its impact. Thank you so much, sir, for all of us benefited a lot from your session. Thank you so much. Now, I extend my gratitude to our principal, Reverend Father Dr. Thomas M.J., for providing us a platform to organize this remarkable session. I also extend my sincere gratitude to Reverend Father Dr. Sajid Turiak in his absence for always guiding and being the pillar of support to us. I also extend my genuine gratitude to Reverend
thoughts on the Buddhist perspective, and also I would like to ask you, sir, what is the message that you would like to give our students in today's generation, the students of St. Paul's, in terms of Buddhist perspective? Any value which you would like to share out to the students in terms of your own experience?
I would like to say that in Tibetan terms, in this Tibetan we say Guru Shishita. Guru Shishita means if you bite the sugar cane, the peel of sugar cane is sweet, but the core is more sweeter. So similarly, when you are engaged in the study, some students are not studying very deeply, very profoundly, very precisely. They just study to pass their examination, to get their degree, etc. So they must study China has nothing to do with religion. If they truly care about the reincarnations of Dalai Lama, so they are like what we call the pioneer of democracy or communism. It's a Mao Zedong. How do you have to search the reincarnation of Mao Zedong? But they don't do that. They are only focusing about the Tibetan Lamas. They have already appointed a fake pension Lama. Dalai Lama has appointed a pension Lama, which is abducted by the Chinese government. Now they are talking about what next life of this woman is the Dalai Lama. So maybe of course out of their politics they will definitely appoint a new Dalai Lama. But whoever he is, we are not.
This is Abhiya, President Abhiya. I request.
Nobody is going to respect that particular person as a Dalai Lama.
As you said, you have mentioned that why does China doesn't allow BBC and they want
Control our religion.
what about the release of propaganda video with this Chinese owned television, KGTN?
So they think that
National Herald case live. Rahul Gandhi at ED office.